where we are here to discuss the academic parts of mathematics. Before starting with our academic parts, our core mathematics, let me discuss a thought with you. The thought of the day is stars can't shine without darkness. One more time, stars can't shine without darkness. What does it mean? If there is a star, if you want that star should shine, the sparkling or the shine of the star, if you want to see, then what is the important thing? The most important thing is what? The darkness. Okay, if the darkness is not there, then I don't think so that you can see the star. Right? So the present conditions are what? The darkness. Okay, the present condition are what? The darkness. And who is the star? Yes, of course, we are the stars, and we are going to shine very soon, right? And this is what the darkness of the COVID-19 and the confidence in ourselves, the trust in ourselves is what are shining. The creativity, the activity which we are doing is going to be our shine. The result which we are going to produce is what going to be our shine. And definitely this COVID-19 will give us an opportunity to produce ourselves, to show our talent and all. Okay, so if you want that you should be shine like a star, if you want to be star for tomorrow, you have to work hard and you have to work sincerely today, whatever the condition is. Right? So don't be at the back seat, don't be on the resting mood, try to be on the active mood and try to shine yourself and be the star for tomorrow. So one more time, stars can't shine without darkness. So let's proceed further for our academics. Before starting today's academic part, let me revise a bit whatever we have done in the previous period. We started solving exercise number 6.1. Before that, we have gone through the introduction part of linear inequality, that is chapter number 6 of your syllabus. In that chapter number 6 introduction part, we have gone through the total components of the chapter which we are going to see. Then I told you that this picture I want on the first page of your chapter. This is what the mind map of the topic. After this, we started with the exercise number 6.1. In that exercise, we have solved the first 12 sums of exercise number 6.1. And how we have solved? The rules are: inequality are having what? Inequality have what? Two parts, LHS and RHS. And to keep the equality same, whatever we are adding, we have to add in both, or whichever operation we are doing, we have to do with both the sides, means LHS as well as RHS. So these are what the rules. If a number is added in both the sides, means LHS or RHS of the inequality, the result cannot change. The result is what? The same as it is. Then same thing, if we will subtract the same number from both the sides, if we will divide both the sides by the same number, or if we will multiply the same number to the both sides, then the result will not change, or the inequality will not change. So by using these 4 laws or 4 rules, we can solve the inequality. Again one more time, the difference between inequality and equation. Equation is what? Equal to sign. Inequality what? Less than or greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to sign. In equation, we were getting the fixed value for variable, that is x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3 by 5. But in inequality, the value of the variable will be a limit kind of thing. Limit kind of thing means what? If x is equal to, or if x is less than 7, and if your x is real number, then all the real numbers which are less than 7 will be your answer, will be your solution. If x is greater than 7, okay, and if x is natural number, then all the natural number which are greater than 7 will be your solution set. Okay, so here we are going to get a bundle or many solutions within the given limit. It depends on the inequality, what kind of inequality it is. So this is what the recap part. Right now we are going to solve exercise number 6.1, the next few sums. Okay, so here we go with sum number 13. What is that? Solve the given inequalities and your x is what? A real number. Okay, so let's go ahead with this sum number 13. What it says? Sum number 13, it is 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 greater than 6 into x minus 2. So how will we solve? First multiply, right or no, or directly this 2 we can take here for dividing. But before that minus 10 is also there. So what we'll do? We'll do it in this way, or 2 into 2 is what? 4x plus 2 3s are 6, then it is what? Minus 10, right? Less than 6x minus 12. Okay, it depends on you. Now 6 minus 10 is what? It is 4x minus 4 less than 6x minus 12. I will take this 4 here, so it will be 6x minus 4x. I will take minus 12 this side, so this will become plus 12. Okay, so here we are going to getting 8 is less than 2x. So in this way, 8 upon 2 less than x. This implies that 4 is less than x, or x is greater than 4. Both the meaning are what? Same. Just to understand easily, we are writing in this way. Therefore, what is your solution set? The solution set is what? X is equal to, since x is real and x is what? Greater than 4. So it will be what? X is greater than 4, or 4. Here x is what? X belongs to R, which is what given, and what? X is greater than 4. In the other way, what you can write? It is what? 4, which is not included. From 4, it will be any positive value, and x belongs to what? And x belongs to R. Okay. Now what is next sum? Next sum is sum number 40. What is that? 37 minus 3x plus 5 greater than 9x minus 8 x minus 3. First, 37, we'll open this bracket, minus 3x, then this minus and this plus will again become minus 5, then greater than or equal to 9x, then multiply 8x, then minus it into minus 3 is plus 24. Is that okay? Now 37 minus 5 will give you 32, right? Minus 3x is greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x will give you x plus 24. Okay, since this minus is there, so we will take it here, that is minus 3x will become plus and 24 will bring it here. So 32 minus 24 greater than x plus 3x, right? Now 32 minus 24 will give you again 8 and 4x. So 8 upon 4 is greater than x, or 2 is greater than or equal to, or anyhow x is less than or equal to 2. So here our solution set will become, therefore x is equal to, since x is real number and here it is 2, and x is what? Less than 2. So minus infinity to 2, but 2 will be what? Inclusive. Okay, 2 will be counted here, but here 4 will not be counted because it is less than, and here it is what? The x is what? Less than or equal to. Okay, here x is what? Greater than 4, so 4 is not included, but here x is less than or equal to 2, so here 2 is also included. Now the sum number next, that is sum number 15. What is that? X by 4. X by 4 is less than 5x minus 2 upon 3, and then 7x minus 3 upon 5. Is it? Yes. Okay. Now what? Here it will be x by 4 less than, first we will solve this by cross multiplication, that is 5 into this whole identity. So 5 into 5x minus 2. Okay. And then minus 3 into 7x minus 3, and total divided by 3 into 5. Okay, that is what? 50. So we are again going to get this one. 5 5s are, it is 25x, 5 10s are, 5 2s are 10, then minus 3 into 7, that is 21x, then minus into minus plus 9 upon 50. Okay, now this we can solve in this way also. 25 and 21. 25 minus 21 is 4x, then 10 and 9. Minus 10 plus 9 upon, that is what, 1 and upon 15. Now again one more time cross multiplication, that is what, 15 into x, 15x, then 4 into this identity, that is 4 into 4, 16x minus 4. Okay, like this. Right? So afterward what it is, this we will bring it here, so it will become 4, and this will go here, so it will become 16x minus 15x. So here what you are getting, 4 is less than x. Okay, or you can write it in this way also, x is greater than 4. Okay, now x is greater than 4, x is what, a real number, therefore what, x is equal to, it is greater than 4. So one more time 4, and then it will go to all the positive numbers. Okay, for all x belongs to R. Is that okay? Now the sum number next, that is sum number 16, which is again based on the same thing. Can we solve it here? Yes. Okay, what is sum number 16? 2x minus 1 upon 3. 2x minus 1 upon 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 upon 4 minus 2 minus x upon 5. Again the part which is at right hand side after the inequality need to solve first. So here therefore it is simple, 2x minus 1 as we have done in the previous sum, less than or equal to 5 into 3, direct I am going now, 5. Okay, 5 into 3 is what, 15x minus 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 4 into minus x, that is plus 4x, because minus and minus. Okay, now 5 4s are 20, again 15x and 4x. Here it is 2x minus 1 upon 3. 4x plus 15x will give you 19x, then minus 18, these two numbers, upon 20. Again this 20 will multiply here, 3 will multiply here. So what is 20 into 2? It is 40x minus 20 greater than or equal to, what is 19 3s are? It is 57x. 83 is it is 54. Is that okay? Now again same thing. First greater than or equal to 57x as it is. 40x can be taken this side. Then 54 will come here minus 20. 54 minus 20 is what? 34 greater than or equal to 70x. So what is your x? It is 2. Or x is less than or equal to 2. So x is real. So your x is equal to what? X 2 is what? Included. It is what? X is less than 2. So minus infinitive to 2. But 2 is what? Included. For this is symbol for all x belongs to R. Okay. Now let's proceed with the next few sums. But here the thing is what? After this you have to solve the inequality for x. But here in this case you have to solve it on number line. Means you have to show your result on number line. There is no change as it is you have to solve. But at last we are solving it in this way. The answer should be on the number line. That how it is that we will discuss now. So the 17th number is what? Some number 17, that is 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1 and on number line. Okay, I am just writing it on number line. As it is how we are solving, like that only we are going to solve this 2x, we will take it here. So 3x minus 2x less than 1 plus 2. So x is less than 3. Okay, now x is less than 3. How we are going to show it on number line? First draw a number line. Okay, consider this is what your 0, then this is what your 1, then 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Now since x is what? Less than 3. So on that part you have to make one circle which is what? Not filled. Whenever it is a closed interval, a square one where the number is included, that time it will be a dot. But right now the 3 is not included, so it is what? Like this. And now which part is our solution? If x is less than 3, so this every part will come. This full part will come, which is what? Less than 3. If our number is what? X is greater than 3, then the right side will come. Okay. Now since it is left side, so this part need to be dark. Okay. This number line, this part need to be dark with your pencil pen. Show it in this way. Okay. Hopefully you are getting it. Right. Now what is next? It is as simple as the previous one. Sum number 18, that is 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3 is greater than 3x minus 5. What is interesting? 5x minus 3x. Okay. Greater than, here it is what? Minus 5 plus 3. So what you are going to get? 5x minus 3x is 2x. Greater than minus 2. Okay. Because minus 5 and plus 3. So x is greater than minus 2 upon 2. Therefore what? X is greater than minus 5. Okay. Again what? A number line. Then this is what? 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. What is our number here? This we have to show. Since it is again only greater than, so here it is what? A dark blue. Here it is what? A circle, which is not filled. Okay, this is not filled. And then since our x is what? Greater than minus 1, so all the numbers which are this side will be our solution. Okay. Now the next sum, that is sum number 19. Okay, that is 3 into 1 minus x. That is 3 into 1 minus x is less than 2 into x plus 4. 2 into x plus 4. Okay. Now 3 into 1, 3 minus 3x less than 2 into x, 2x, 2 4s are 8. So therefore what? 3 minus 8 less than 2x plus 3x. Therefore what? Minus 5 less than 5x. So again we are getting minus 1 is less than x, or in the same way we can write x is greater than minus 1. Means x is greater than minus 1 means same as this one. So number line will be what? The same one. Okay. Now let's go ahead with sum number 20. That is x by 2 less than 5x minus 2 upon 3 minus 7x upon we solve this sum again? Yeah. Here it is what? But here it is x by 4 and here it is x by 2. Okay. So again, let it go x by 2. So cross multiplication first. Okay. So here it is and then this one. So 5 into 5x minus 2, then minus 3 into 7x minus 3. Then divided by 5 3s are 15. So therefore x by 2. Then 5 5s are 25x minus 10 minus 3 7s are 21x plus 9 upon 15. Okay, now again one more time cross multiplication. Therefore what? 15x is less than 2 into. Now first we'll solve this. 25 minus 21x, that is 4x and minus 1. So 15x minus 2 4s are 8x minus 2. So in this way 15x minus 8x is less than minus 2. Right? So what is 15x minus 8x? It is 7x. Okay, less than minus 2. So x is less than minus 2 by 7. Okay, since x is real, so it can take any value. So here the number line will be what? In this way. Here it is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and say minus 5. Now the number is what? Minus 7 by 2. If you will go on division, it will be giving you the value minus 0.2. Okay, because 20 divided by 7 is what? First 14 and then 6, then 7 is 56. So it will give you minus 0.26. Now where it will come minus 0.6? Somewhere here. Right? So this part is what? Again not included. And our x is what? Less than. So this complete part will be there. So this you have to make what? Dark. Okay? You have to make it dark. Right? So these are what the next 20 sums of exercise number 6.1 which we have solved. Okay, after this the word problems will start, that is from question number 21 to question number 26, that we are going to do it in our next video. Okay, so just a quick recap. Here today we have started solving the sums of exercise number 6.1, sum number 13 and onwards. The first few sums where we were solving it for the inequalities were based on whether x was a real number. So x is a real number, so it can be a natural number, it can be a whole number, it can be an integer also, or any number which is what? A real. Okay, there we did not show any diagrammatic form. But as soon as we came on sum number 17, the sum number 17 onwards, the method is solved, the method is same, the procedure is also same, but only the last form of the answer. Here we have to represent it on number line. The solution is same as it is what we were doing like that only, but in the form of number line. If it is a slack inequality, that time means what? When x is not included, that time we have to use the empty circle. Okay, and if x is what less, so the left part of that number, if x is what greater than, so right part of that number will be your answer or will be your solution. But if it is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, that time this circle will become a dark circle, which means that that number is also included. Here it means 3 is not included, it means minus 1 is not included, and the same diagram for this also. Is that okay? And if it is inclusive, then it will be a dark circle. Okay, so here we have completed the sum number 20, the first 20 sums of exercise number 6.1. Hopefully you have enjoyed the sum, hopefully you have understood the sum. Now the thing is what? You need a little bit practice. Okay, and need to complete your notebook so that it won't be a burden on you. Right? And again, the stars can't shine without darkness. So this is what a kind of darkness is going on, but keep working on, be happy, be healthy, be at home and be safe. So wait for the next video at your own channel, that is Maths Mela, will meet soon. So be happy and be enthusiastic. Be ready to shine. Thank you.